So this is the schematics of this watch, and here you can see this is centrally Zio ESP. Then there are switches, 3 switches connected. This switch is for reset purpose, so I have just given a dummy resistance so that this wire is directly connected to this switch. There is a buzzer. There are 2 parts, sensors, environmental sensors. This is BMP 180 and this is BME 680, which was here in the PCB. This is BME 180 and this is space for BME 630. These are the network registers for I2C. This is MPU 650. This space is for OLED display, and this is the digital compass. These are the network registers. This is RTC crystal, and this divider is used for battery. This is for battery. This divider is used for reading the battery voltage. This is the torch facility. This LED will act as a torch, and for driving this there is a SMD transistor. Okay. These 2 are for future application. I think can be connected like sensors, light sensors and others. This is the auto screen off functionality. Here you can see this is the basic details which I have placed for testing purpose. This is 25-degree temperature, and this is coming from this sensor. Like if I place finger on this, temperature will start to increase. See, you can see the temperature is increasing. This is auto screen off feature to save the battery. Like let's say what is happening here, when I place my finger on this, maybe due to static charge this system is getting hanged. It is not exchanging the data, and as soon as I lift the finger, the data gets updated. Here in the corner you can see this is compass. This is compass setting. This is coming from this sensor. Okay, let's test this. If I rotate this one, you can see the direction is getting changed. Yeah, for sure it is not calibrated. I need to calibrate with the sensor, so because it has errors, right? It is Saturday date, and this is date, and this is day. Then time is there, so we can change many things. I will show other options and menu also when I will make one. So for overall it's just basic functioning we are testing. It can store time. So for now it's just a basic thing, basic data for testing the sensors and all these things. Like here we are pressing this one for set mode activated. Like if I press, set mode is activated, and I can manually adjust the time, date, month and year. Let's see, this time is for reset, and this I have not mapped it. I haven't mapped it, but it will be also used. This place for antenna, and now its battery is connected for this one. Okay, this is the basic one. Here I will connect a battery, 3-volt battery, to store the time, to hold the time basically in this one. When the main battery goes off or get down, it will hold the time here. I will connect here. I will add the photograph of that. So this is the test for the MPU 6050. Here you will see, as I will change the position of the board, the graph will change accordingly.